I want to catch you up on some of today's news, starting with a plea offer being considered by Derek Thompson. He's the son of former State Representative John Thompson, charged with killing 5 young women in a violent crash in June of 2023. Here's KARE 11's Lou Raguse.
Derek Thompson has 2 pending cases, one in federal court for what was allegedly found in his rental car, fentanyl and an illegal gun, and another case for what he's accused of doing with the vehicle, speeding 100 miles an hour off a freeway ramp through a red light and smashing into a car carrying 5 young women, killing them all. The cases are now more than a year old, and trials are scheduled for both. And the Hennepin County Attorney's Office says they will seek between 32 and 38 years in prison if Thompson pleads guilty to criminal vehicular homicide. He has until November to consider that offer, but on October 7th, his federal trial on the drug and gun charges begins. And there's no indication of a pending plea in that case. Legal experts tell KARE 11 News that Thompson would face around 10 years in prison if found guilty in his federal drugs and gun case. And in his criminal vehicular homicide case in state court, prosecutors have filed notice they intend to seek an aggravated sentence if Thompson is convicted at trial, citing that he has prior convictions for a similar offense, he failed to render aid to the victims, and that his offense is more serious than a typical offense. Because of that, Judge Carolina Lamas would have discretion to sentence Thompson to up to 50 years in prison if found guilty at trial.
And that's where there could be some motivation to take the plea offer, up to 38 years in prison instead of risking 50 years in prison at trial. That trial would take place in December if it happens, Chris.
Thank you, Lou. Appreciate it.